guys, welcome back to my channel. So firstly, before we get into the discussion, I am going to be talking about this hair, of course. All right, so this hair comes from a company by the name of MsCoCo. Let me make sure y'all know I be missing stuff. Yes, MsCoCo hair. Now we'll have all the links and everything down below. The actual hair links that I have, though, I have 22, 24, 26, and a 28-inch and a 20-inch frontal, okay? And I have water wave. Like I said, all the info will be down below in the description box or whatever. This is everyone's favorite texture, of course, okay? This is water wave. It's my favorite texture too. I always tell you guys that I love the wavy textures. I don't like anything too curly, okay? Now, I mean, straight hair is okay, but it's not my favorite. I like something that I can kind of just like wet, comb through a couple times and go. And yeah, this hair is pretty long and it's super full. So I'm gonna stand up, and I am 5'7", so that's, you know, the hair comes to like my waist area, okay? So it is super pretty. If y'all been following me for a long time or whatever, this is my texture. Like, this is my freaking texture. I absolutely like love it. Now guys, you do not have to get 4 bundles. I just like my hair to be super full. Some people don't like for their hair to be as full or big or whatever the case may be, but I just wanted longer hair. So yes, this is what it looks like. This is the natural curl pattern of the hair. I hadn't put any product in here. This is just water, all right? And it is about 90% dry, okay? So it still has a little bit more to go, and it's drying slow because it's so thick, but that is pretty much the natural curl pattern. I didn't put any product in it because I wanted you guys to see actually like what it looks like and everything like that. So those are the waves or curls, or however you want to, you know, say it right there. So it may look a little frizzy, and that's just because I was kind of going in with my blow dryer trying to dry it as much as I could, so y'all can see kind of how it looks, okay? But it's almost all the way dry, okay? It just has this natural like luster to it, which is really nice. And then like I said, I have the ear to ear frontal. Okay, so now let's get into the topic. Let's get into the discussion, okay? So about plucking your frontals off of your head versus like plucking on a mannequin head versus plucking on your head. I would definitely recommend plucking on your head. I know that it could be kind of like, you know, a little hard or whatever. I wouldn't say hard, but the problem that a lot of girls do run into is that their lace will lift. But the way to do it is that you just hold down your lace, really get a good grip on it, and then pluck as you go. And the reasoning for that is it ensures no over plucking. I'm not saying it's gonna guarantee it or anything like that, but it makes it a little bit harder to over pluck, and then you can see your hairline. I mean, of course, you can put the wig on, pluck, take it out, put the wig on, pluck, take it out. You could also do that too, but I put my wig all secure, my wig all the way down, you know, and then I go in and I'll pluck and I'll lay baby hairs according to my hairline and to my liking. It's just that when I pluck off of my head and I pluck on a mannequin head, you just don't kind of know what direction to go in. You don't kind of know, which causes over plucking and bald spots. And a lot of time you pluck your hairline back, okay? And ladies, please don't look at me crazy. We all know, okay, if you're a first time wig wearer or if you've been doing this for a while, because I'm not a pro at this either. I mess up too sometimes. You can pluck your hairline back, okay? When you start out just by plucking, trying to thin it out, you're actually pushing it back a little bit. So yeah, I would definitely recommend plucking on your head if you can, or at least just practice, okay? Don't do anything unless you want to like flat iron the front or something like that, if it's like some super curly hair or whatever the case may be. But as far as doing anything else, don't do it on a mannequin head. Put it on your head, secure it on your head, and then go in and pluck as needed. All right, like I said, that way, and I already cut the lace too, that way your lace is already cut. You can kind of see what, you know, how you want to do it, what way you want to lay your baby hairs, and how things supposed to go. Do you want your baby hairs to be thick? Do you want your baby hairs to be thin? You know, you kind of get a rubric when you pluck, you know, on your head. That's just my opinion or whatever. I would of course love to know you guys' opinions. You guys already know I'm always up for a respectable debate. Let me know, okay? Do you have trouble plucking? A lot of people have trouble plucking. That's like the number one thing that a lot of people talk about is plucking. Okay, so are you a person that has trouble plucking? Do you think it would be a good idea to pluck on your head? If you have tried to pluck on your head and you didn't like it, why didn't you like it, and why didn't it work for you? Or if this is something new to you and you feel like, hey, I'm gonna try that, let me know, okay? Let me know why or why not. Have you ever plucked your hairline back, and have you ever plucked on a mannequin head and then all of a sudden you put on your head and you're like, oh jeez, you know what I'm saying? So just let me know your thoughts and opinions. Oh yeah, I didn't even rate this hair, whatever. Would I give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? I'm definitely gonna give it a thumbs up, and I would just say at least check out the company. The hair is soft. Haven't been experiencing a lot of shedding other than, you know, the normal type of hair strand there, all hair sheds. Okay, so it is worth giving it a try. I am going to be going on a trip soon, and this may just be my trip hair, okay, because it just looks so nice and it has a natural texture to it. So anyways guys, let me know your thoughts and opinions, and I'll definitely see you on the next one.